Hi guys, Tenkan Gadgets here again. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. Really appreciate the love and the support that you all have been giving me. I thank you guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, dislike, leave a comment, tell me what I should do next, like how to improve my videos, and I will be happy to respond to you as well. Make sure you hit that notification bell icon for updates on my videos and to be the first to actually get notified on my videos, so you don't miss a thing. Because sometimes you know how YouTube be doing, sometimes they be playing around, So let's get to the chase. Let's cut the whole thing. Let's get to the chase real quick. Now I got with me here the Microsoft Surface Duo. And this is a new tablet. I think it came out around November 2020. I don't remember correctly, but it's kind of new. And I think what Microsoft was going for here was they are trying to, it's a new product basically. I think what they're looking for is feedback on as far as how people receive it and like it. So if it's liked, I think they will probably bring out more tablets like this going forward. But overall though, my own experience with this right here, I've used it for a bit now, but my experience with this, I will say I have a couple of concerns about this tablet right here. The build quality is really good, 5 stars build quality, but I wish that it had a more, I don't know, matte texture feel to it, because using it as a gloss, like it's kind of glossy though. So when you use it, fingerprints are a problem. Now, there are some things that I like about it, but there's a ton of things that I don't like about it. So let's start with what I do like. I like the packaging, good, smooth packaging. I like the screen, the color of the screen is really, really vibrant colors. I like the display is really nice. I like the shape and the size and the weight. I think it weighs about 4 ounces. And I like the fact that you can just carry it anywhere you want to go. So if you put it in your pocket, it fits your pocket flawlessly. And I mean, it will still show that it's there, but it fits in your pocket. That's the bottom line. And it allows you to multitask, so you can do something on one screen and actually do something else on the other screen. I like that as well. I like the 360, folding. I love that too. And I love the notch that allows you to fold. It's kind of pretty solid. I like that as well. Now let's get to what I don't like, which is a bunch of things that I don't like. The first will be price. I don't like the price. The price, I think this tablet should be, if I'm to price this as a manufacturer, I will put a price tag of about $350 to $450, something like that, or $300 to $450. Because the reason why I say this is because I think when I'm trying to see the public perception of something that I'm doing as a project, as a new trend, I think I wouldn't just put $1,000 on something like this, because for a new tablet like this, putting a price tag of $1,000 just doesn't make any sense, especially when it has lots of question marks about it. It comes with Android 10, which again is another thing I don't like. But it's not like I don't like it, it's kind of petty. I just feel like if I'm using a Microsoft device, I think Microsoft should incorporate Windows 10 into their tablets and stuff instead of just using Android. I think they should stick with their OS, and I think they should, stay with it, because with this I should be able to sync with my Xbox or my laptop or whatever. But I don't know, I haven't used it that well to really tell you all that kind of stuff. But again, I don't like that aspect about it as well. Something else I didn't like about it too is the camera. It has one camera, one front camera, and that's it. No back camera, no nothing. That's about it. Like Microsoft, like what's that about? Now next, I don't like the fact that I pay $1,000 for something and you leave the stylus out of it. I mean, I can understand if you because you can buy the stylus and the earbuds, separate from the gadget, but you cannot. It's like it doesn't come with it. I feel like for $1,000, at least give me the stylus, at least give me something. But Microsoft, they know what they're doing. So I'm opening the screen right here. It has that really book feel when you really just fold it like a book, and it's like you can read something out of it. It just has that book type of feel to it. I think that's cool. So if you have like an Audible, or let's say you have books downloaded or something like that, you can as well just have it page by page open up. You can see here my wife was using it. She just playing around with it and having a feel for it in general, which is kind of cool. That multitask display actually gives you an avenue to do multiple things at the same time. So let's say you have my voice just cracked. So let's say you have a Microsoft Team meeting. You can do that while you're doing something else, like watching YouTube. Just do whatever you want to do with it. Now, one other thing that I noticed about this was when I folded it, it didn't actually switch to the screen that I was facing. So let's say I folded, as you can see, it still was showing on the screen, didn't transfer to my other screen. I don't know, maybe there's a setting for that as well. I don't know, but I didn't like that it's not transferable. I think if the tablet had multiple cameras, I feel like it would actually have what do they call it, the smart gesture, and so when I switch it, it actually sees my eyes, actually knows that okay, I'm looking at the screen in front of me, and it'll switch to the screen right in front of me, and then when I turn it around, it'll switch it back, or just some rotating type of stuff. But apparently it doesn't do that. Now when you turn the tablet vertically, I think it's about 8 inches, and when you turn it sideways, it's about I think 4 inches or 5.7 inches. I don't remember exactly, but it's pretty it's pretty decent as far as size goes. It's pretty decent. Now the bezel is not end-to-end display bezel. You don't get that end-to-end bezel, those thin bezels. It just doesn't have that. If I'm to say correctly, I think that it's kind of I think Microsoft's Surface has thinner bezels than this. I haven't used that yet, but I think I'm gonna get that as well. That's probably something I'm gonna be doing an unboxing on. Now here, I'm just here to tell you my own honest take on this tablet right here, right in front of us. And my take so far is, I don't think anybody should invest $1,000 into this. I really don't think it, because why will you put $1,000 into this? I think if I'm to give you my honest advice, I think you should buy a Microsoft Surface Pro, or buy an Apple, an iPad, if you are just really looking for a tablet. And if you're just really into the whole folding screens and all that kind of stuff, screen extensions like what's going on right now with the Samsung and Xiaomi's and the Huawei, all that kind of stuff, then you should as well just go get one instead of sticking with this right here. Because this, no, I don't recommend anyone buy this. For a score, if I'm to score this thing right here, I'll give it a 2.5 over 5. So that's in stars. So like 5 stars, I would give it 2.5 stars. But again, it's a project. I think Microsoft is trying to do something here. I think the next version will probably be a lot better than this. I think they're gonna look at what people feedback from their customers and see how they can improve this. But I think this is where they're kind of going as far as their tablet lineup is concerned about. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching the video. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.